For this example, we're going to input a stair into the model. First, we're going to go to elevation 110. And the first thing we need to do is put in another grid line. So we'll go to our grid line, add a grid line command. We'll highlight grid line 1 and base it off from that grid line. And we're going to go with a 6'0" for the dimension from grid line 1. For the view name, we're going to call it CL, capital CL space stair, center line of stair. And for this one here, let's change it to finite and hit add. And then you can cancel all that command. Now we have our stair center line. Now with it being a finite, we can click on the grid bubble and open up that view. For the stair, we're going to put the stair is going to be between grid lines A and B for the most part. And the stair will go up to 110'6". Our top of steel is at 110. We're going to have a 6-inch floor, concrete floor, so our top of stair will be at 110'6". So 110'6" down to elevation 100 is 126 inches. There's 18 risers divided out evenly, so that gives you 7-inch risers. So first thing I like to do is add in construction lines. So we'll do our construction line command and off from add a construction line, and we'll do base it off a construction line, highlight elevation 100, and our dimension from construction line is going to be 7. Our repeat factor is going to be 18. And then we'll exit all there. And then off from grid line B, based off from that line, we're going to go -36. And then we're going to go -11 with a repeat factor of 17 treads. We'll exit out there. Next thing I like to do is just show the work line of the stair. So I add another construction line in, and this time go from the intersection, and that is the intersection right there is my intersection 3 foot over from B and 6 inches up from grid line 1. So if I pick that point there, and as a double check, you can see there it says 6 inches, and this way it says 11. So that's my 11-inch tread. There's my 6 inches from grid line, or from elevation 110. If I go down to the next one, you can see my 7 inches. That's my 7-inch riser. So coming over here, I'm down 7 and I'm over 11. And there's my construction line, which is actually the work line of my stair. So another check here, we can use our ruler. From there to there is my 3 foot. From there to there, my 100 elevation is my 10'6". Picking again as another check dimension from grid line B, there's my last riser, my last nosing, but my stair actually starts over here, which is 19'6" over. So that's correct. So now to put in my stair, I can go to my member, add a here, or again, I'm going to use the pull down menus for this example, member add, and then stair. So for a stair, I'm going to pick my bottom of my stair, and this is 1 tread past your last nosing. So I'm going to go from there to my first nosing at my landing, my 3 foot over. And now it brings up your